Hi guys, we are back from TwnsHungama. Myself Sidra. This is
Rabbit. Saqib.
and today we are going to show you how to make a paper frog. Did you guys know that the frogs are a lucky symbol for many cultures across the world? So let's start, Saqib.
So for making a paper frog, we need one square paper. So here I have a square paper. And now I'm going to fold it in half like this. Fold it in half, fold it in half, fold it in half. I like that, Silva. Okay, so it should look like this after that. So now you're gonna make a triangle just like this.
Like this, Saqib?
Yeah, amazing, Silva. You're learning really fast. So now open it and do the same with the other side. Okay, so now when you open, you will get an X. So take the middle of the X and place it down, and take the upper one and make a triangle just like this and press it. It should look like this, and it should have an open area over here. So now, Sura, are you done?
Yep, I'm done.
Okay, so now you gotta fold it in half just like this. Okay, so now take one corner and make a triangle just like that. Do the same with the other side. And now you have these front legs. Close them like this and take this and fold it like this. It should look like this. And now do the same with the other one. Before that, close it. Okay, so now here you come. Okay, so come on, and it should look like this after all. And now take this part and keep it in the middle, just like this. So look it. And now take this corner and make a triangle, just like this, and do the same with the other side. It should look like this. And now take a corner and make it fold it like this. Do the same with the other side. And now make a leg just like this. So you gotta fold it like this. And do the same with the other side. It should look like this. So just for testing if it is jumping or not, you should press at the bottom and remove your finger. Okay, yes, it is jumping. So now what you're gonna do is flip it over and take this a little bit and fold it like this. Just like that. And Sidra, should I wait for you?
No, it's okay.
Okay, so now take this upside and fold it just like this. And if you are done, fix the legs and keep them properly over here. So it should look like this from the back. And now pull it a little bit. And Froggy, are you ready to launch? Yes, I am ready. 3, 2, 1. Oops, it fell down. Let's try again. Oops, again it fell down. I'm not getting it. Oh, I got it! Yes!
And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye!